What's going on, everybody? Messy hair day today. I'm going to show you really quick is just doing a pulley replacement. But first, last video when I showed you how to use the mechanic stethoscope, found a noise. Knowing that that's going to be a cheap replacement and kind of straightforward and not much more investigating needed, what we're going to do is then replace that pulley. And I'm going to show you how to do that in almost 5 minutes flat. I'm so confident I'm gonna do it in sandals. Hey! Dude, I'm telling you, these bugs are everywhere now. Alright, just to show you guys what I'm talking about here. Start her up. I already have my replacement pulley, but let's check it out really quick. Hear that? Yeah. We're gonna try to get rid of that noise. Alright, so first thing you want to do is locate your tensioner pulley. So I got that on there, right? This intake tube here, just go ahead and start removing this. I unplugged from here, loosened this, loosened this. So now I should be able to just pull this right out. Of course, this side's giving me a set off. There we go. Is that so hard? Tensioner pulley, and then you're going to want to tighten. So when you do that tighten, it'll loosen your belt. So what we want to do is just slip that off temporarily. Take our 13 millimeter. Oh God, focus. 13 millimeter. Take this pulley off. This is our pulley that we're replacing today. Alright, simple enough. We just have it slipped off, as you can see right there. This loosens it enough, the belt enough, so we could just take this off. Alright, next thing you want to do, you want to take the new one out of the box. This is the exact same size. Just want to match them up. Stick our bolt all into the same. Someone's crackling, popping. Right. So now what we want to do is tighten that. That seems tight enough. And yeah. Alright, and there you have it. Everything's nice and snug back up. Got our new pulley installed. Let's see if this fixed the issue. We're going to put the intake tube back on, start her up. Oh, listen to that. You hear it anymore? Because I don't. I do not hear it anymore. Wow. Maybe I could get a before and after, huh? Put that in there. Look at that. Now we're done. That's that. It takes that much. Jesus, my hair is just a mess. The alternator pulley, just replace the alternator altogether. Also the AC compressor. Oh, and your water pump. So that's directly attached to your impeller, and if your impeller is making noise or worn out, just replace the whole water pump. Idler pulleys, you don't have to do a whole replacement. It's a $15 to $25 part. Replace it. It takes you 5 to 10 minutes. Catch you on the next one.